Jaina Maria shows us where she says her husband used to beat her, time and time again. He grabbed me by the hair and slammed me into the mirror, she says. The violence lasted 4 years. At first, she was silent.
Foi meu primeiro amor da minha vida. Amava ele demais.
He was the love of my life. I loved him so much, she says. But then you get beaten again and again. Even after they divorced and she obtained a restraining order, she claims her ex-husband showed up with a knife. That was when a court issued her a panic button to alert authorities the next time she was in danger. Soon after, Jaina Maria activated it when her ex-husband appeared shouting at her from the street. The police arrived in 4 minutes, she says. Her ex-husband was sentenced to 21 days in jail for violating the restraining order. He hasn't been back since. Nearly 40 women in the city of Vitória have received the panic button after restraining orders failed to halt abuses. Part of a pilot project launched this year by the state judicial system for the city with the highest female murder rate in Brazil. There have already been 5 convictions thanks to the panic button. We've come down to the police station here to watch a simulation to see how this works. When the button is pressed for 3 seconds, a GPS signal is sent out. The victim's location appears on a map, so do dedicated patrol cars. The device also starts recording ambient sound, which can later be used in court. Pictures of the victim and her abuser appear on police smartphones. The nearest patrol races to the scene. So far, officials say they've arrived in under 10 minutes every time. Experts say it also works as a deterrent for would-be abusers. Dr. Sonia Lira is a gynecologist who specializes in female trauma at the Jaime Santos Neves Hospital. The main damage to a victim is her loss of identity, she says. Lira was also a victim of domestic abuse, brutally beaten, she says, by her ex-husband for 9 years. She says the panic button not only helps stop violence before it happens, it gives women the security they need to rebuild their lives. If I'd had it, she says, I would have reestablished myself faster without the constant fear that he could hurt me or my children. For Jaina Maria, she now has the confidence to leave her home. The day we visited was her first day at a new job.